Hello viewers, what I have here is a 1966 Buick Riviera. It's a 1/64 scale die cast model. Very nice black 1966 Buick Riviera with silver rims, with black tires. It has the Riviera name on the front side, passenger side. In 1966, they made about a little over 45,000 of these Buick Riviera at a cost of $4,500, weighing 4,200 pounds. So it was a heavy car with a V8 engine, 340 horsepower, 0 to 60 in about 8 seconds. In 1999, they stopped making these Buick Riviera, which right now is considered an antique and a collectible. If you was to get a used 1966 Buick Riviera right now, it will run you anywhere between $20,000 to over $100,000 for this collectible car. This is what it looks like in the passenger side. This is what it looks like in the front. The top. And this is what it looks like on the driving side. So it's like a 2-seater in the front and 3-seater in the back. It's very nice die-cast car. Beautiful. These are considered collectibles, muscle cars, and that is worth a lot of money. Only a little over 45,000 of these were made. It's a beautiful car. The same die-cast car, which comes from Hot Wheels, they sell it on Amazon for about $10. I picked this one up in Walmart for a little over $1 and some change. This is what it looks like from the back. Let's see if I could. It's a beautiful die-cast car. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.